In this review, I will dive deep into ManyChat features, the pricing, the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with this website, what is ManyChat? ManyChat is like a super smart helper for your business. It lets you have a live customer conversation and use a ManyChat bot to talk to people on platforms like Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. Think of it as your 24/7 customer support service team ready to answer questions, take a order, and even bookmark appointment. Plus, it helps you build a customer database so you can get to know your audience better. And it things get tricky, you can always connect with your live chat agent to take over the conversation. It's all about making it easy for you to talk to customers and grow your business. And here is the top benefit of ManyChat, which is easy lead generation. ManyChat make it simple to collect contact information and turn website into visitors lead, and also powerful chatbot platform with a built interactive and automated customer engagement with a comment automation and visual flow builder. And here are the best features of this platform, which is the multi-channel messaging and interactive chatbot with a live chat takeover and a powerful integration together with the template and flow. And that's it. So talking about the pros and cons, understanding the strength and the weakness of any tools is crucial before making a decision. So let's weigh the pros and cons of ManyChat to help you decide if it is the right fit for your business. So talking about the pros, it's easy to use and it has multiple channel support and automate the task, which makes it easier, and also generate leads with the help of integrates with tools. And here's the downside. The learning curve can be tricky a little bit to learn, so pricing can increase anytime and limited customization. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.